Hi guys, welcome back. A while ago, I did an unboxing video of the Face Shop's FMGT new makeup line, and today I'm going to be doing a full makeup look using these products. So for you guys who don't know who or what the Face Shop is, they are a South Korea-based leading global beauty retail brand that focuses on using natural ingredients from all over the world to nourish and revitalize your skin. So I received this box from the Face Shop a while ago and I'm so excited to be trying this today. Let's start with the basics. Alright, so today I'm starting with the Tone Up Primer, and the purpose of a primer is to prolong your makeup wear and also color correct your skin tone for an overall brighter complexion. So this is very important. This is like the first step of any makeup routine. So I'm just gonna take this out. So this Tone Up Primer actually contains soft shining pearls to create a smooth and glowing complexion. So if you look really closely, it's super shiny. So I'm just gonna give it a shake and then just apply this all over my face. Oh, it's so shiny and sparkly. So I'm just gonna pat it all over my face to let it absorb into my skin. Okay, I'm done. Alright, the next step, I'm just gonna move on to the Ink Lasting Foundation. So this is one of the Face Shop's best-selling foundations, and it's said to give you a flawless look. So this is how it looks. Super classy in a glass bottle. And the interesting thing about this foundation is that there is a combination of red and blue pigments, and this brightens up your skin tone and lets you have an all-day glow on your skin. Okay, so this is in the color V203 Natural Beige. So I'm just gonna shake it before I start using it. And what I like to do with foundation is to use this blender so that it's more even on the skin, and I like that it gives a smoother finish. So I'm just gonna open this. So there is a small pump here where you can pump onto your skin. I'm just gonna put it onto my hand. The color matches my skin tone nicely. So what I'm gonna do is just put some product onto my skin directly. And then from here, I'm just gonna use the sponge and then just dab it all over my face to make it more even. So you can see that it blends really well. And with the blender, it gives it more of a smoother finish. So with my blender, I also like to wet it slightly so that it's more even. I feel that it blends better compared to a dry sponge. Right, so I'm done with my foundation, and now I'm just gonna apply my concealer and some pressed powder before I move on to my eye makeup. Right, so I'm done with my makeup base, foundation, concealer, my primer, and my skin looks really clear and smooth now. I really like this blender. It blends everything so well. Okay, let's move on to eye makeup. I'm gonna start with my eyebrow pencil, and this is the Designing Eyebrow Pencil in black brown. And one thing I really like about this eyebrow pencil is that there is this rectangular tip and on one side, and the cute little spoolie at the other end, which honestly is super convenient because this is like a two-in-one tool. You don't have to bring like a separate spoolie and an individual eyebrow pencil. So usually before I start drawing my brows, I like to just brush them out to tidy them up first. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use the other end now. So this tiny rectangular eyebrow pencil. Okay, the color payoff looks really nice. So let's go. So usually I'll just start from the very tip and then work my way towards the ends. So once I'm done with one side, I'm just gonna brush them up slightly to blend them in better. Okay, I think I'm done on this side. Okay, so I'll move on to the left side now. So usually I like to draw the ends of my brows a bit thicker because when you take photos, right, I feel like the ends tend to get cut off more. So if you draw it thicker, it will show up better and more defined. Okay, and I'm done. Alright, so my brows are done and I just did some eyeshadow on, just a very simple one. So now let's move on to some eyeliner. Eyeliners are my favorite because I wear them every day. So today I'm using the Imgt brush pen liner in the color 01 Black. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a shake. Then let's go. So I like that with this liner you can really control like how thick or thin you want it to be. Yeah, and the color payoff is really nice. Like, it's super thick. Alright, next we're going to move on to some mascara, my favorite. So this is the Mega Proof Mascara, and because I already have eyelash extensions on, so what I like to do is just use like a spoolie again. Is this called a spoolie? I'm not too sure. Okay, so I'm going to use this to just brush out my lashes to make it more even. And then let's try on the mascara now. Alright, the look is almost complete, so now I'm going to move on to the blusher. So this is the Hydro Cushion Blusher in the color 02 Pink. And I really love this color because it's super pink. And this kinds of cushion blusher really stays onto your skin for a long time. I kind of prefer this over like the powder types. This whole thing is super cute. There's a mirror, there's this really small sponge for you to press onto the blusher on. And even the blush itself is super cute. So I'm just going to dab it a little and then place it onto my hands to dab it off slightly and then adjust it onto my cheeks. So you can see that the color payoff is really nice, so I just need a little and it will go a long way. And this smells amazing too. It smells like flowers, like rose petals. Okay, I think I'm done. Don't want it to be too much. And finally, let's move on to lipstick. So today I'm using this Rouge Powder Matte Lipstick. So this matte lipstick is in the color 04 Red Powder. And it has such a smooth texture and it's really cute because there is the FMGT logo right at the lipstick. And this feels really lightweight on my lips. And I really like the color, so I like to go really slowly and then just like outline the outside of my lips. I don't like it to be too thick. And then that's it. Alright guys, this is the final look. Alright guys, that was the end of the makeup tutorial video. I hope you guys enjoyed this very short little video and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!